74% of marketing professionals said that PPC is a high driver for their business. You may be thinking, I already know how to run PPC ads for my business, but are you creating the perfect advertisements for your audience or optimizing them to get there? Why PPC optimization is so crucial. Cost effective. Optimizing campaigns can help reduce costs and maximize your budget. Targeting. Ensure you're reaching the right audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Visibility. By creating the perfect ads, you can improve quality scores, which will ultimately result in a better ad placement and higher visibility. Conversion rates. If you're creating better ads, you can improve click-through and conversion rates. Competitive advantage. Gain the advantage over your competitors by improving ad relevance and user experience. Here are the 7 steps to creating the perfect ads. Research the audience. Having great PPC ads is nothing without having an audience to target them. Focus on search behaviors online and analyzing which keywords and search terms attract them the most. You may have some data on your audience that could help here, so be sure to share it. Choose ad type and placement. You may have been unaware, but text ads and display ads have different functionalities and are displayed in different places online. Display ads normally come as images, videos, text, flash ads, or audio advertisements. They're usually linked to an online store for purchases or a company's website. Text ads are pieces of text that normally appear on search engine results pages, SERPs. These can lead to landing pages or a page of a website. Establishing the budget. With PPC, you will pay a small fee each and every time your ad is clicked on. Having a set budget means ads can be set to run without overspending daily or monthly. But CPC, cost per click, must be considered. Finalize the message. It should be decided early on which product or service needs to be pushed. This will mean that the ads are better tailored and more specific to pushing particular things. The more relevant and related your ads are, the higher the quality score, and so you can have a better ad placement. Setting up tracking and analytics. Tracking and analytics help you keep on top of your PPC campaign performance in line with your goals. Tracking and analytics should be ready to go as soon as the ads are pushed live. This is vital in order to not miss any data on how the ads are running. Data from 2 weeks into a month-long PPC campaign is pointless and redundant. It's also crucial to set up goals in software like Google Analytics to see how well your ads perform in this regard. Setting the ads live. The big one. Set the ads live. It's now ready to put your ads into the world and hopefully see some increase in traffic and conversions. Evaluating the ads. Evaluate the ads daily to ensure there is no overspending and to see how many leads are gained each day. Although you can go through the data at the end of the campaign or at the end of the month, looking at it each day allows you to keep up with how things are performing. This can also make it easier to spot anything that is going drastically wrong, God forbid. If you need assistance to create the perfect ad campaign for your business, speak to one of our PPC specialists from the link in the description.